Ah. Good morning, guys, or evening, or night, whenever you're watching this. No, this is not a wig. I got my hair dyed yesterday. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. Today, I'm gonna go to Los Angeles to my aunt's house to go visit my grandparents who came from Mexico, and I am super excited. I just finished brushing my teeth, and I'm just, getting the rest of my stuff ready. And yeah, I'm gonna show you my outfit. This is the fit. We just got here to the house, to my aunt's house, and now I'm just chilling with my cousins. I haven't seen them for like, I think almost a year. So yeah, we're just chilling.
Hey, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Go.
Day 2.
I took a shower and just went outside to skate, and now we're just outside chilling, eating fruit.
Go outside. Chris. God dang.
Moments later.
Miller does it every year. This year will be his last. Where are you, Tom?
I heard the newspaper is open to submissions again.
Ah.
Fight.
I want to rest in peace.
Much later.
Not the whole crew.
We at Starbucks. Gonna get chrome.
Day 3.
Hey y'all, so now we're gonna go to Knott's Farm. I don't know why I had like a hard time saying that, but here's the feed.
Continúa por Valley View Street durante 4 millas.
Moments later.
Beto, say hi.
Oh, Noah's by the clean jumper and the McDonald's.
Anthony, say hi.
Por eso, ya está el parking.
Say hi.
Wait.
dead.
What?
They died.
Bitch. Dude.
Out of all the time we've been here, we only went on like a couple rides.
This bitch really wants to go here. And he walking away. What?
Huh? Yeah.
Well, I'm in the bathroom right now, and we're gonna leave the park right now, and it was pretty fun. Honestly, for my first time, I will definitely want to come back for sure. Now we're just chilling outside, and I'm all with all my cousins over there. Dang. And I really liked the park. It was really fun. Now we just outside chilling. We went to Target, but I didn't really get to vlog that.
Bro! Yo!
Turn on the lights.
I hate chow. Yeah. Bro, why is it not focusing?
Got rid of it. Bro, I can see the bushes. Bro, what are you talking about? What are the bushes?
He's too low. That's a tree. That's a trees.
Oh, I got you. I got you.
Oh my god, what are y'all doing?
Everyone gets 3. Everyone gets 3.
What?
Did they have 2?
No.
Can somebody move my french fries 8 times? Do you want to buy LAX? Yeah.
The next day.
I am going to end my vlog here because I'm gonna be going home today. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was my first time going to Knott's Berry Farm. I don't think I mentioned that, but that was a late birthday present from my dad, which I got to go with my sister and my other cousins, and it was super duper fun overall. And I'm really gonna miss them all, of course. I always do. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys like my vlog, this video, and I'll see you in the next one.